How to use body tracking in CapCut. So first you want to open up your CapCut project and load your video. So for example, I'm going to drag this video right here. And while the video is selected from the right side panel, now from the right side panel, video basic, you want to basically scroll down and look for an option called camera tracking. You can expand it right here, enable it by checking the checkbox, and then you can basically select which part to track. You can use face, body, or hands, or basically track a custom part. It will give you this one box which can be adjusted. So you can adjust it on the object that you want to track, for example, the head, and then you can press start. And you can even choose to track the entire body with this option. And keep in mind that it will require CapCut Pro to be able to use that. As you can see, this purple diamond right here. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.